Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome to RysFix. So guys, many people when they buy a new car, they don't know what is a wheel alignment. They don't know what is wheel balancing. They don't know that they have to do regular rotation of the tires as well. And that is the reason why their tires get worn out very fast. And when their steering is in the middle, their car go on one side, they don't even know about that. And because of this guys, very soon their car has to be taken under serious repair. So today in this video guys, I will tell you what is wheel alignment and I will show you how it is done. Now you need special machinery to do the wheel alignment guys, and this is very expensive machinery, so you can't do this process at home. So after every 5,000 kilometers you will have to take your car to a wheel alignment shop and you will have to do the alignment. The main thing is, and the purpose of this video is, you should know what is wheel alignment and how it is done and where you should take your car to do this. So to do the wheel alignment, I have picked a random shop guys, because the shop where I do my regular wheel alignment, there is a problem with their machine, so I can't take my car there. That's why I searched on Google Maps and I came up with a random shop. So we'll go there and we'll see how the wheel alignment is done and we'll check out the place as well guys. And remember guys, you will have to repeat this process after every 5,000 kilometers. When you run your car for 5,000 kilometers, you will have to repeat this process of wheel alignment every 5,000 kilometers. So come on, let's go there and do a car wheel alignment.
So guys, the moment I reached the shop, it was raining and there were not many customers, only my car was there. So immediately they lifted the car and took out all the tires. Now before you do the alignment, the two tires that you are going to put in the front, both those wheels should be balanced. Now here I am going to do some tire rotation as well guys. What I mean by that is, my rear two tires are new tires. So I am going to put both those tires in the front, and my front two tires, which are slightly older ones, those two tires I am going to put at the rear. So the first thing that they did was they took out both the back tires, which now I am going to put in the front. What they did is they did the balancing of those two tires. Now how to do the wheel balancing, I already have a dedicated video on that, where they put the weights on the wheel and balance the rim. If you have not watched that video, then see that you go and check out that video as well. Now to do the wheel balancing, first of all, you should have a big pit in the ground like this, so that the mechanic can go underneath and do the adjustments. So here my wheel balancing is done guys. So they put back all the four tires, then they will take the car inside like this guys. Now as you guys can see, this machine picks up signals guys. Now what signals this machine picks up, that I will show you further in this video. Now once the car is taken inside, it is still not placed on the turning mechanism, because before it is placed on the turning mechanism, targets has to be put on the wheels. Now the machinery which is put on the wheel is called target, and this targets send signal guys. And when this target sends signal, this machine picks up the signal. And once it picks up the signals, it shows reading on the monitor. Now one monitor is placed on the floor like this, so that the mechanic can see the monitor from down there, and according to the monitor he can do the camber, caster and toe adjustments. So once all the four targets are put on the wheel, the car is now placed on the turning mechanism, and now one guy will go inside and start the car, and he will turn the tires like this. When he moves the front wheels like this, the targets which are there on the wheels will send signal to that machine. That machine picks up the signals and shows reading on the monitor like this. Then they lock the steering with the stand like this, because while the mechanic is doing the adjustments down there, at that time your steering wheel should not move. Now once the steering is locked, one mechanic goes underneath and he adjusts your camber, caster and toe. Now as you guys can see, on each wheel they have placed a target machine, and this target machine sends signals guys, and these signals are picked up by that machine and shows reading on the monitor. Once the mechanic is done doing the alignments, it will show green color like this, and all the adjustments that he has done, he will give a bill of the adjustments that he has done. On that you can make out what adjustments he has done. Now once the alignment was done, the shop guys gave me a tissue box, which is a very nice marketing technique. But when somebody gets a free tissue box, who will not want it guys? This is the reason why maybe there are many repeat customers on this shop. I will give the location of this shop in the description below guys.
So guys, I'm hoping that this video was useful to you, and I'm hoping that you have learnt a lot in this video. If you guys got good information in this video, then see that you comment below and let me know, because when you comment guys, it gives me motivation to make more videos like this. So that's all in this video guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.